In this video, we're going to take a look at snap mounts. What's up, everybody? I'm Andrew. This is Touring Midwest, and today we're going to talk about a product, probably one of my favorite products from this last year. I had been looking at these things for a long time. It took me quite a while to actually get one, but I kept going back to it. I can see the uses for this thing. I can see how handy this is gonna be. So I finally got a starter kit, and I've kind of been adding on to it since then. So this is the snap mount for your GoPro. Now they make some additional things like a phone holder, which I also have. Uses the same kind of mechanism. It's just got a mount that works for your phone, so you're good to go there. Now in the starter pack, you're gonna get 2 of these backing plates. It does not come with this handle. I'm just using that for demonstration purposes. So you're going to get 2 of these backing plates right here. You're going to get 1 of these that attach to your GoPro. And you're going to get a thumb screw. Actually, you're going to get the green thumb screw because that's the color that they use for their products. You also get this handy little wrench to really crank down on your adjustment screw, little rubber mat, and what that is for is so you can actually put this on like the hood of your vehicle or whatever, and then you're able to give a little cushion, a little protective, even though the chances of this like really scratching up your vehicle or anything is pretty null, I would say. But in case you need that little bit of added security, they send you this as well. Last thing that they send you is another backing plate that's on a lanyard here. I'm going to show you how this works soon. So if you use a GoPro, this is a must-have thing. This is one of the best GoPro accessories I've ever found in my life. Why do you need snap mounts in your arsenal? If you have one GoPro or multiple GoPros, we're going to take a look at all that. So first of all, say you only have one GoPro, right? Well, maybe you want to change angles, get a different view or whatever. Well, you've got the one mounted on your helmet, right? Pop it off. Now it's on your handlebars. Now it's back on your helmet. So maybe you've got 2 GoPros. That's great. So you've got your handlebar mount, you've got your helmet mount, you're good to go. But you get to your destination, you get off your bike, and you want to use your GoPro off the bike. Pop your GoPro off your helmet or your handlebar mount, bam. So now you've got it on a selfie stick or a little handheld monopod or whatever, right? And then you get back on your bike, you can throw this into your saddlebag, and then it's back on your helmet just like that. You can really start to see now how useful this can be. This sticks to anything metal. Now we're able to get unique shots from anything. Signposts, your refrigerator, anything metal. And another really great thing about this is when you're done using your GoPro, you just put it somewhere. I've got air ducts in my garage with tin underneath, so I can easily just stick them to that and I always know where they're at. Or put them on your refrigerator or maybe your toolbox. Hang a piece of metal up next to your computer so when you pop the SD cards out for editing, you can stick it right to that metal plate on the wall and you always know where it is. Stick it to the gas tank on your motorcycle. You can get some unique views that way. I knew when I saw these things that there was like a million uses for it, and I'm still finding uses for it. Chesty mount, right? But you're not wearing that strap, you know? This is just right here on your chest, recording everything that you're doing, everything that you're seeing. How is this working? Well, remember that lanyard that I showed you earlier? That's exactly what is happening here. Just hang this backing plate underneath your shirt and all of a sudden you have got an incognito chesty mount. So yeah, you're still walking around with the camera on your chest, but at least you're not all strapped in. You don't have that harness. You don't have to worry about it. And this will move around a little bit. If you're just walking around and kind of checking things out, you could get some really cool views with this. And it's adjustable too, so if you need it higher or whatever. You can check out the links in the description if you'd like to get yourself some snap mounts. Really clever, love the snap mount. Absolutely use this thing all the time. They are on my GoPros all of the time. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks a lot for checking it out. Definitely take a look at Snap Mount and all of the products that they offer. You're going to find 1,000,001 uses for it. I can pretty much guarantee it. Hopefully you like it as much as I do. That's going to do it for this video. Stay safe out there. As always, you guys, we'll catch you next time right here on Touring Midwest.